Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Wow bunny treats. Okay, so for our ingredients, we are going to need some Wowbutter. You could use the crunchy or the creamy, whichever one you like. Then you're going to need some of the little jet puffed mallow bites that you can get for like hot chocolate and stuff like that. We're going to use those for the little bunny tails. And then you need some Ritz Crackers and some melting chocolate. Alright, so first we are going to make the bunny bodies. So just get out 20 of your crackers and just pick, the best ones that aren't crumbly. Because we're just going to put some Wowbutter in between each of these crackers and make a little sandwich. So you can make about 8 to 10 with a full bag of the milk chocolate. Alright, all my little bunny bodies are filled. You can just put as much or as less as you want to put in there and then just sandwich them together. So that's the bodies. Now it's time to get started on the heads. So go ahead and take just about a third of your melting chocolate and put it in a microwavable bowl and melt it for 30-second increments until it's completely melted. Alright, my chocolate is all melted, so I'm going to go ahead and put that either in a ziploc bag or piping bag, and then you're going to pipe out the bunny ears and head onto a parchment lined baking sheet. Alright, so I piped out my little ears and heads, and now you want to work quickly and melt the rest of your chocolate so you can put the bodies right on top before this all dries. Okay, so now you just want to take your little bunny bodies and dip them into your melting chocolate and place them right on top of your little head. So make sure you do have enough room. Mine might be a tight squeeze. Alright, all my little bunnies are ready to go and set up. So I might go ahead and stick those in the refrigerator. So basically you just dip your little crackers with your Wowbutter inside and then place them on top of the little head. You can do them sideways, straight, however you want to do it. And then the idea is this will all harden, and when you pull it up, it will have little ears, and then you add your little bunny tails right away before it all dries. They look so cute. But I'm going to go ahead and put those in the refrigerator for about 20-30 minutes. Alright, my little bunnies have all set up, and they just look so adorable. They come off your parchment paper so easy. And look how cute they are. So we're going to have Taste Tester have a little taste and see what he thinks. I hope you enjoyed them. They're so cute. Happy Easter. All right, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Yum.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, like it.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.